Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifa Rufaidah. I am a student in Guidance and Counseling. My NPM is 201715000611. Now, I want to tell you about passion. What is passion? P-S-S-I-O-N. The word passion may be familiar to us, right? Or have any of us never heard of the word passion? Usually, we know the word passion for the first time since junior high school, when the guidance and counseling teacher is explaining in the front of class. Or even our parents have previously introduced to us the word passion. What exactly is passion itself? What? According to Professor G. Valeran, passion is divided into two types, namely passion obsession and passion harmony. The two types of passion have different effects that can have an impact on the individual concerned. Meanwhile, according to Covey, passion is defined as a burning desire, strong belief, and drive that can make a person disciplined to achieve his vision. From two definitions above, it can be concluded that passion is something that is done sincerely without concession and is a subconscious call. Work that is done continuously without feeling bored and not concerned with the advantage and disadvantage. There are two types of passion, namely, passion for harmony is positive passion, because according to fun and hobbies, people who have passion will be happier because what they do in line with their desire. The second is passion obsession. This is an external passion. Passion obsession is a passion that obliges you to do something that is not really what you want. So, you will feel depressed and stress. For example, you have to work in a place that is not what you want to get a salary. Speaking about hobbies, passion is related to hobbies. So, a hobby is an activity that we really enjoy until willing to sacrifice time, energy, and even money, isn't right? For example, if you like to draw, you will be happy to draw wherever and whenever, at home, at school, even when traveling. And you will also be willing to sacrifice your pocket money to buy drawing equipment or take paid drawing classes, right? Well, passion is an activity that you like and you get compensated afterwards. For example, you will work hard to become a painter or illustrator. Then, you will work in the appropriated field, and you will get a salary from your work. So, is passion important? Is patient important? Yes. Yes, it's very important because we live and work without patience. If we live and work without patience, we will have trouble. Life under pressure and work like robot. Working in a place that we do not like and only expect a salary. Isn't right? Oh yeah, maybe you don't know because you still small. Okay, then how do we find the passion in us? How? The first, understanding yourself. Why? Understanding yourself. Understanding yourself better is knowing what your strengths and weaknesses are. By knowing your strengths and weakness, it will be easy for you to know your characteristic. So, you can take to develop yourself to be better according to your passion. The most important thing is that you are honest with yourself about your strengths and weakness. The two is opening new mind. Try to open and explore new things in your life. Try new things that you have never tried before. That way you will have a lot experience and learn to adapt to new things that you have never tried before. The three, take advantage of free time. Take advantage of free time. Try new things. You need to take your time. Schedule your daily activities. Do new activities. By doing things, you may discover hidden talents that you were not aware of it. If you are still confused, you can consult with your guidance and a counseling teacher in your school, okay? After this, I will invite you to take a paper and a pen to write down what your strengths and weakness. Sometimes people only think about the advantage and disadvantage and do not write them down on paper. So no, I will invite you to write down your strengths and weakness on a piece of paper. Okay? Your paper and pen. So that you pay more attention to your strengths and weakness. If it is written, then you have real evidence of how many strengths and weakness you have. After that, you can determine the next step to develop yourself even better. Passion is passion only. It's not enough. You also have to learn to survive and achieve your dreams. A person who already knows what his passion is, that he must be able to take his passion away to achieve his dream. Yes? If you want to be a children's books illustrator, then you be a children's book illustrator who can be useful for others and of course make profit for yourself. Okay? I think enough. I hope you understand and you will practice in your daily activity what I talking about patient death, and you will practice it. And I think enough for this. So thank you for watching and bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.